Yeah, well, for the commute home right now here in Colchester, things are pretty clear despite some snowfall earlier this morning. Now, that's because VTrans crews were out plowing, but they're not the only ones getting prepared for this upcoming storm.
We're making sure all the equipment is up and running, is fueled. We have brooms that we have to make sure are in good shape.
Preparations are already underway at the Burlington International Airport for the winter storm headed to our region.
We're ready for it. 3 to 6 inches is nothing for our guys. That's pretty simple.
Operations foreman Doug Woods says plows were out Wednesday and will stay out as long as there's snow on the ground.
Anytime we can recover some more pavement and make braking action good and uncover all the markings to make sure pilots can see where they're going and don't take a wrong turn, then that's our goal.
He says even with lots traveling for the holidays,
the airlines are pretty booked.
He thinks crews can stay on top of the weather.
We've had 15-minute closure in the last year. That's it, 15 minutes of closure. So our guys do a really good job of keeping our runways and taxiways open for aircraft to land and take off.
As for Vermont's roads, VTrans officials say plows are ready to run 24/7.
We're all hands on deck, 3 o'clock till, 9, 10 o'clock at night. We're full force during those nighttime hours. We lighten up the staff.
David Blackmore says their goal is to prevent ice or snowpack, but drivers should still expect to see some snow on the roads until the storm lets up.
Each truck is assigned to, anywhere from 15 to 20 miles. So it takes them about 2 hours to make a complete trip. So by the time they leave that one starting point, by the time they get back, there's going to be 2 or 3 inches of snow there.
And unlike freezing rain or quick storms during commuting times, he says this upcoming storm may pose less of a problem for travelers.
Folks are getting wind of it already. We're getting early predictions out there. Everyone's getting prepared.
Now, Green Mountain Power is also getting prepared, letting customers know that scheduled power outages for parts of Chittenden County have been postponed. Now, we'll have more information on the new plan coming up at 11. For now, live in Colchester, Abby Isaacs, NBC5 News.